In today's episode, we're going to talk about something that many people ignore. But in fact, it's a treasure trove inside every car, but no one pays attention to it. Do you know the catalog that comes with the car? Which is called the owner's manual. This booklet is not just a piece of paper thrown in the dashboard drawer. This booklet contains information that may save you in many situations and make using the car much easier. Instead of driving your new car immediately, take some time and read this booklet. You will be surprised by the amount of information in it, and that may teach you things about your car that you never thought of. This manual is divided into many chapters such as the car specifications, audio system settings, and maintenance schedule, and also an explanation of all the warning symbols that appear on the dashboard. And not only that, sometimes there are additional booklets for other systems such as navigation or infotainment, and also booklets related to warranty and maintenance. Even the tires have their own booklet. If you take your time and focus reading it, you will understand your car inside and out and be prepared to deal with any situation easily and without stress. But let's be honest. How many of us actually read it? Most of us, including myself, still leave it and have not opened it since we received the car. So in today's episode, I will tell you 12 important reasons that will make you review yourself and grab the owner's manual and read it, because it may actually save you a lot of problems and money as well. What is the importance of the owner's manual? These are the most important reasons why you should take the time to read the owner's manual carefully to get the most out of your car and maintain it. 1. Setup instructions. Many new cars are equipped with advanced technologies that don't work on their own. Instead, you need to enter some settings yourself to benefit from them. For example, if your car has Bluetooth, a smart entry system, or even voice recognition, you'll find that the owner's manual explains step-by-step how to activate these features and adjust them to your liking. You don't need to be a tech expert. All you need to do is pick up the manual and follow the instructions. You'll find yourself taking advantage of every feature in your car from day one. 2. Maintenance schedule. A car that is regularly maintained will last longer and perform better. It will also save you a lot of money that you would otherwise spend on unexpected breakdowns or costly repairs. The key to all of this is to review your car's owner's manual. It will contain a clear schedule explaining when to change everything in the car, such as engine oil, filters, the engine belt, and other replaceable parts. Instead of listening to any advice from a mechanic or someone telling you to change the oil every 3,000 kilometers, the manual will tell you exactly when a change is actually necessary depending on your car and oil type. In short, following the maintenance schedule in the manual equals saving money and protecting your car's engine. 3. How to check and top up your car's fluids. With your owner's manual, you can easily find the locations of all the important fluids in your car, such as wiper fluid, radiator coolant, or even engine oil. The manual not only tells you where they are, but it also explains when to check the fluid. Is the car running while it's still hot, or is it better to wait for it to cool down? This simple step can prevent you from making a mistake that could damage your engine. It also keeps you prepared in case you run out of fluid while you're on the road. 4. The right type of engine oil for your car. One of the most important things you need to know is the type of oil you should use in your car. You'll find this detailed in your owner's manual. The section on engine oil will explain everything. How to check the oil level. What type and viscosity is right for your car? What type of filter should you install? And how often should you change the oil? This information is crucial as using the wrong oil can cause engine performance problems or even shorten its lifespan. Always pay attention to the recommendations in the manual. 5. The right type of fuel for your car. Your owner's manual can help you determine the type of fuel your car needs, especially the appropriate octane level. Not all engines run on the same type of fuel, and each manufacturer designs its engine to operate efficiently on a specific octane rating. Therefore, check the fuel section of the manual where you'll find the appropriate octane rating. This helps your engine run efficiently and last longer without problems. 6. Seat and headrest positions. To ensure greater comfort and safety while driving, refer to your owner's manual to learn how to adjust your car's seat and headrest positions. Properly adjusting your headrests to the appropriate height helps protect your head and spine in the event of a collision, reducing the likelihood of neck or back injuries. 7. Dashboard signs in the owner's manual. Not all warning signs that appear on your car's dashboard have the same meaning in every car. Some signs may be simple and not cause for concern, but others can be very important and indicate problems with the brake system, engine, or even fluid levels. That's why it's important to refer to your owner's manual, as it will help you understand the meaning of each sign and whether the problem requires immediate maintenance or not. 8. How to change tires. Your car owner's manual will explain step-by-step how to use a jack, or a lift, or a jack as it's called in your country, to lift the car, remove the tire, and change it. Not every car is the same, so it's crucial to ensure you're lifting the car from the correct location to avoid damaging the body or other parts. Therefore, refer to your owner's manual and you'll find the exact location where you can place the jack or lift and safely change the tire. 9. Ideal tire pressure. You can find the appropriate tire pressure for each tire in your car using your car owner's manual. It's always a good idea to carry a digital tire pressure gauge and check the pressure approximately once a month to ensure everything is in good condition. Proper tire pressure not only keeps you safe, but it also helps your car consume less fuel and prolongs the life of the tire itself. 10. Warranty information in the owner's manual. You can save yourself a lot of money by reviewing your vehicle's owner's manual and knowing exactly which services and spare parts are covered by the warranty. You'll also find out if the warranty includes roadside assistance. You'll also find contact numbers and important information you may need in these situations. The manual will also explain which actions or modifications could void the warranty. Always stay informed so you don't make a mistake without realizing it. 11. How to clean your car inside and out. If you want to keep your car looking like it just came out of the showroom, you should consult your owner's manual. There you'll find helpful tips on the best ways to clean leather or fabric seats, as well as how to care for the exterior paint, mirrors, headlights, and windows to keep them clean and shiny. 12. Additional tips and features in the owner's manual. There are many things you can discover in your car owner's manual, some simple things that make a big difference in the life of your car and the safety of your passengers. You may also find features you never thought of, such as some cars having a feature that automatically lowers the windows slightly when the weather is hot to air out the car before you get in. In short, the owner's manual is a treasure trove of information and features that may be hidden, but all you have to do is open the manual and discover it for yourself. At the end of our episode, we talked about the most important reasons that make you return to the car owner's manual and read it carefully, because it really contains important information that can benefit you and save you time, effort, and costs as well. And don't forget that the manual is not just a catalog thrown in a drawer. It is the key to understanding your car better and operating it safely and efficiently. Thank you for following, and wait for us in a new episode.